Welcome to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of modern farming techniques. Today we delve into the extraordinary process of raising millions of bees to produce one of the most valuable and nutritious products in the hive, royal jelly. Join us as we uncover the meticulous journey of beekeepers harvesting and processing this precious substance. Royal jelly is a secretion from the glands of worker bees, and it serves a vital role in the hive. It is the exclusive food for the queen bee throughout her life, enabling her to grow larger, live longer, and lay thousands of eggs. This nutrient-rich substance is not only crucial for the survival and prosperity of the hive, but also highly prized by humans for its remarkable health benefits. The journey begins in a field filled with beautiful yellow flowers, a vibrant and bustling environment where bees diligently pollinate and collect nectar. These industrious insects are born to protect and care for the queen bee, creating the sweet honey we love to eat. Royal jelly, also known as queen bee milk, is a substance produced by worker bees to nourish and create the queen bee. This ivory white substance is incredibly fragrant and was historically reserved for royalty, especially in Asia. Today it is more widely available, though it is recommended that children should not consume it. The intricate process of raising bees and harvesting royal jelly is a testament to the dedication and skill of beekeepers. They meticulously care for the hives, ensuring the health and productivity of their bee colonies. Beekeeping for royal jelly involves not only the physical labor of handling the bees and harvesting the product, but also a deep understanding of bee behavior and hive dynamics. To begin with, beekeepers must ensure that their hives are situated in an environment rich in flowering plants. These plants provide the nectar that bees need to produce honey and ultimately royal jelly. The hives are strategically placed to maximize the bees' access to these resources, promoting a healthy and thriving colony. Beekeepers also play a crucial role in managing the hive's population. This includes monitoring the queen bee's health and productivity, as she is essential for the colony's growth. If a queen bee is weak or unproductive, beekeepers may need to replace her to maintain the hive stability. This process, known as requeening, involves introducing a new queen bee to the hive and ensuring that she is accepted by the worker bees. The process of harvesting royal jelly starts with the grafting stage. As you know, a hive typically has only one queen bee. If the queen bee is absent for some reason, worker bees will aggressively search for larvae within the hive. They create special queen cells, and after about 3 days, when the worker bees have filled the cells containing the larvae with royal jelly, it is time to harvest. Harvesting royal jelly is a simple yet delicate process. Beekeepers carefully remove the larvae from the queen cells and collect the royal jelly. This substance can be used immediately or processed into various products, such as cosmetics or dietary supplements. In Asia, particularly Thailand, royal jelly is a renowned product, often frozen, dried, and packed into pellets or canned. The cells are then brought to a processing area where the jelly is extracted. This extraction process must be done quickly and efficiently to preserve the jelly's quality and nutritional value. After extraction, the royal jelly can be used in various ways. Fresh royal jelly is highly perishable and must be consumed or processed promptly. It can be frozen and stored for later use or processed into supplements and cosmetics. Royal jelly is known for its numerous health benefits, including boosting the immune system, enhancing skin health, and providing essential nutrients and antioxidants. In Thailand, one of the leading producers of royal jelly, the processing and packaging of this product are done with great care to ensure its quality and purity. Convenient forms such as pellets or capsules, making it easy for consumers to incorporate into their daily routines. The popularity of royal jelly continues to grow thanks to its reputation as a superfood and its wide range of health benefits. The entire process of raising bees and harvesting royal jelly requires a harmonious balance between nature and human intervention. Beekeepers must respect the natural behaviors and needs of their bee colonies while implementing modern techniques to maximize production. This delicate balance ensures that the bees remain healthy and productive, and the quality of the royal jelly remains high. Beekeepers often employ sustainable practices to support the health of their hives and the environment. This includes avoiding the use of harmful pesticides and ensuring that the bees have access to diverse and pesticide-free foraging areas. Sustainable beekeeping practices not only benefit the bees, but also contribute to the overall health of the ecosystem, promoting biodiversity and supporting the growth of flowering plants. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of beekeeping and royal jelly production. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We would love to hear your thoughts and questions, so feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on modern farming techniques and the wonders of agriculture. Until next time, happy farming!